Okay, one of the last things I want to do with you is just simply go through Canvas and how I do things. So what I need you to do now is go to Canvas and pull up your dashboard. On your dashboard, what you are looking for is this right here. This is Integrated Chemistry Physics Semester 1. This is what you're looking for. Once you find that, you can click on that and you should end up here. This is the home page. Okay, just a quick explanation of the class and everything about it and how to contact me. Now, I just want to go through a few things here with you. Most of you already are fine with working through Canvas. I just want to make sure you understand how I do things. Obviously, we've already been through the syllabus, but if you want to look that over, you can simply click right there. And that will bring the syllabus up. If you want to look over the classroom rules, you can go to pages. You can find that in there. What we really need to talk about are just a few things here. If you will click on your calendar, and let's go to August. You'll see here I simply put what we will be doing each day, and I will generally have this up 2 weeks in advance. I'm not all the way through next week yet. Okay, it'll tell you what we'll be discussing in class. We'll also have what assignments we'll be doing. Now, I will tell you, unlike many teachers, I do not set this up so that you can access your assignments through the calendar. To access your assignments, what you will need to do is to go into modules. And once in modules, you'll see you have a module set up for each day. And this is where you will access all of your stuff. For example, if I scroll down here to one of the first things we're going to do, introduction of motion, we have different things here along the way, practice problems, so forth. This is where, for example, you would access your worksheets and so forth. So we have right here just some practice problems that you'll be doing. This is where I mentioned earlier you will be downloading all of your worksheets onto your desktop and putting them into your ICP folder that I showed you how to create earlier. Okay, that way you will have everything. So this is how we will be working things here when needing to access assignments. As most of you know, when it comes time to turn an assignment in, you will need to click on assignments. Okay. And then I will have different things set up here, but what you'll do is find the correct assignment, click on that, and then you will be able to submit it. As I said, most of you probably already understand how to do this. Okay, so that's just kind of how I handle Canvas. Also, you can message me at any time, as you guys know, through Canvas. That is the easiest way and the quickest way to get me to do it, and that'll pop right up into my email and so forth. So just a quick thing there for that. Thank you.